first of all. I tried to click on something that moved. Okay, so good morning. I guess we'll start with the bell work. That was your bell work, right? Okay, these are the dreaded ACT bell works that don't have any numbers. You don't see a number on the single problem, so most people hate these. And the best way I've found to attack these problems is to assign a number to each one. For example, with F, it says M is an odd integer. So 1 and 0 are usually not good numbers to try. I'm gonna say it's 3, okay? So if it's F, then when I add M and N, I'm gonna get an odd number. So if M is 3 and N also happens to be odd, if I add those, I get 4, like if it's 1, if it happens to also be odd. That's not an odd integer, so it cannot be F. So finding out what it can't be is the easiest way to do these problems. Next one is the exact same thing. N is an odd integer, so I would just change that. So I could say 3 plus 1. Even though it doesn't say they both have to be odd integers, it doesn't say that they both can't be. It just says that N has to be odd. So if N is odd and M also has to be odd, or happens to be odd, then I will not add those together to get an odd integer. I get an even integer. If M and N are both odd, that's what we've been doing. That doesn't work. M and N are both even. So let's say M is 2 and N is 4. If I add those together, I get 6. That's not an odd integer. So the answer has to be K. But if we try it, let's say M is 1 and N is 2. Oh, I didn't want to use 1, did I? If I add those up, I do get 5. It's an odd integer. And I can keep changing those to even and odds, and I will always get an odd integer. So it is K. Good. Questions on the bell? And again, it is okay if you get the bell work wrong. It's not going to make a huge impact on your grade unless you don't do it. Then it will start affecting your grade quite a bit. All right. So today we're going to do some more credit card stuff. So again, do we have any questions on your homework on that table that we did yesterday? You guys picked your own numbers. I thought that would be a little bit more, at least it's something that you're picking as opposed to what I'm picking. Okay, so go ahead and copy this down. I know it's a lot, but the objective is important. The student will be able to, is what that weird TSWBAT stands for. Once you get that copied down, then we'll talk about